Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a DIY hair mask for damaged hair that will leave your lock looking smooth, shiny and silky. First thing first, let's talk about cause damage to our hair. Heating, styling, chemical treatment and even environmental factors like the sun and pollution can all contribute to dry, brittle hair that lack uh, shine and luster. But don't worry, this homemade hair mask is packed with nourishing ingredients that will help repair and strengthen your hair from the inside out. So guys, hair mask cream using ingredient you probably already have in your kitchen. First we are going to need some olive oil. Olive oil is great for moisturizing your hair and scalp, and it's also rich in antioxidant. Next we are going to add some castor oil. Castor oil is known for its ability to promote hair growth and prevent breakage. And now let's add some glycerin. Glycerin is an amino acid that help to strengthen your hair and prevent damage. Moving on, we are going to add some coconut oil. Coconut oil is another great moisturizer, and it also help to reduce protein loss in your hair. So guys, finally let's add some aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is great for soothing your scalp and promoting healthy hair growth. Now that we have all our ingredient, let's mix them together in a bowl until they are well combined. To apply the hair mask, starting by sectioning your hair and applying the mixture from root to end. Make sure to massage it into your scalp as well. So guys, once your hair is fully coated, cover it with a shower cap or towel and leave it on for 30 minutes. You can even leave it on overnight for extra hydration. After the time is up, rinse out the mask with warm water and shampoo as usual. Your hair should feel soft and shiny and nourished. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this DIY hair mask helpful. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.